Hello everyone, welcome to my channel SETAfrica. Welcome to SETAfrica. If you're just joining, you're welcome. And if you've been a subscriber, thank you. Kindly, if you're new, you're welcome. Please like, share, and subscribe to get more information concerning solving some problems or blockers you encounter during development. So we'll be bringing up probably videos, short tips on how to solve problems during development, and other tutorials, other things, anything that interests us on tech. Yeah, if we have the time, we would make a video and bring it up for you to enjoy and for you to get help. So for you to enjoy, and for you to get insights, and for you to get solution on your problems. Today we are going to be looking at a particular thing we encountered while trying to set up a wildcard subdomain on our domain. So this is a domain, the Raysky.ai is a domain, right? And then we're trying to configure the wildcard so that people on the system, users on the system, can be able to create their own subdomain. This is particular for, let's say you're trying to build stuff related to let's say tenant applications, multi-tenancy, and all those things, right? Where if you want your users to dynamically to create their own subdomain instead of having a like a fixed subdomain, you want them to create their own subdomain, right, for your domain. So if they create a subdomain, so they will have, let's say you have something like user1.raysky.ai, user2.raysky.ai. So they could decide what name the subdomain should be. It could be voiceapp.raysky.ai, voice machine raysky.ai, voice console raysky.ai, whatever they want, right? Whatever your user wants. So we wanted that, and then we tried to set this up. We've had we got our domain from Cloudflare, and then we did the necessary setup, right? But here on the wildcard, for the wildcard, it's different. After, if you understand setting up on Cloudflare, you need to use the CNAME, right? You need to use the CNAME, the type, and then set it up on Cloudflare. So after doing that, there is this issue called this issue here, invalid configuration. If you are facing this issue while trying to set up a wildcard for your domain, this video is for you. If you're facing that issue, we are going to resolve that issue here right now. We're going to guide you to resolve that issue. So what you want to do, it's very simple. What you want to do, right, is to do this. So what we're going to do now, we are going to solve the problem. So now let's go. Let's go just a moment. Okay, so we have this. Okay, yeah, so what we want to do, let's click on, so this is the issue you're encountering, right? And then let's click on the next. Yep. All right, so now we click on, if you're encountering this issue, just click, let's go to next. Now here, when you're done setting up the usual thing, the CNAME, make sure this is CNAME, because now we're dealing with wildcard, right? This is A, but make sure it's CNAME, right? Type will be CNAME, and the name here will be asterisk, because you are not going to have you don't want to have a fixed subdomain. You want to have a dynamic subdomain, right? So that users can decide what what name to give to theirs. So you just use this to be asterisk, right? Now here, make sure it is yellow. Make sure you toggle it to yellow. This is just like an AI generated image. Sorry, this is just an AI generated image, but when you're done setting up, you should know what I'm talking about. So you go to Cloudflare, select your domain, locate your subdomain record. Now click on the gray cloud icon so that to toggle it to orange. Okay, enable orange. Make sure it is enabled to orange. Then you wait for 5 to 10 15 minutes and then you test again. If you want to make it faster, just call the address. This should be asterisk here. This should be asterisk here, right? Just call the address asterisk.raysky.ai until it is what? Okay, like this, until it is okay like this. Okay, so that comes to the end of our video. Okay, so if this helped you, kindly make sure to like, share, subscribe, and then if you have a problem doing that, probably you just want to reach out to me. I'll drop my email so that you can reach out to me. Okay, so we can look at it together. All right, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye.